Greymane? Greymane? Lost in thought again? Why don't we go inside? I only just fished you out the river. You won't fully heal without proper rest.
I'm well enough, thanks to you. It's time I moved on.
Are you really sure you're well enough? You can stay as long as you like.
I'm fine, really.
I think you should stay a bit longer.
I'll be going now.
Very well. If you're heading in, you should stop by the Hernand Tavern. News travels fast around here. If there's any information to be found...
You've got and hired a free sword?
I'll take care of this. Look, I already...
We're here for the...
What interest?
Hey, kid,
come. Just pay up and I won't be in.
Oi.
We're not asking, we're...
We'll beat the interest out of, or make your maps go up in flames. What are you gawking at?
Don't you fucking know?
Today will be your last. Get it!
Are you all right?
I'm fine. Thank you. It's not the first time those bastards... Things had got so bad. I was ready to pack up and... But they got what was coming to them.
Where are you headed then?
Truth is, I'm also headed to her. Can I tag along? Let's set off. On foot, it won't take long to reach Hernand. But if you want to get to town quickly, we should ride there. You could ride with me, but... I recently came across this wild horse. He won't let me ride him, but maybe he'll take a liking to you. What's that look for? Hernand used to be one of the nicest places to live. But with those bandits about, you're always looking over your shoulder.
It's that bad.
It's worse than ever now. The guard's been stretched thin, and it's impossible to keep the peace. It's us ordinary folk who are paying the price. Now this here is one of my favourite spots. The view from the bridge is absolutely breathtaking. It'd be a shame to just hurry past. Let's take it slow. We deserve a little serenity every now and again.
Hiya.
I'm no fighter, but I know strength when I see it. That kind of skill will have people seeking you out, Grey Maid. Some will need your help, like me. But others will just want to see how they measure up to you. That's the only way a fighter can test their strength. Funny, isn't it? We're nearly there. That horse seems fond of you, Grey Maid. A horse would make travelling a lot easier. Hernand's bigger than you might think.
The air is tense.